We are told not to use trigonometry because assuming we are asked to use trigonometry, this is actually very, very easy to solve. Yes, because using trigonometry, we would have said sine 18 is equal to opposite, which is x, over the hypotenuse, which is 2. So if we cross multiply, x is 2 sine 18, which is approximately 0.62. But we are asked not to use trig. So how do we do this? Welcome back to my channel. Let's do this together. So to do this, I would like to, let's draw this out again. I would like to draw a congruent triangle to this one that is given. Okay, so please be patient with me. Now this is the triangle. This place is 2. Please, this is not drawn to scale. This is y. Okay, this is x, and this is 18. Now let's reproduce a twin of this triangle as well down here. Like I said, this is not drawn to scale, but whatever I'm drawing here, I'm trying to reproduce what we have as our main triangle. So assuming the second one is exactly or congruent to the first, then this should be 18 degrees as well. Then first, let's find the value of y. Okay, if this is x, then this should be x too. So let's find the value of y. Remember that the sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So to get y plus 90 plus 18 is equal to 180. Okay, so y plus, this is 108, is equal to 180. Let's take this to this side. Y is 180 minus 108. So it means that y is 72 degrees. Okay, so this place is 72 degrees, right? Yeah, 72 degrees. Now let us drop a perpendicular bisector of the, let us bisect triangle y, angle y. So let's assume this is the bisector. Okay, if that is it, that means this place now will be 36 degrees, as well as this is 36 degrees. Okay, all right, now let's call this angle A, B, C, and let's call this T. Now remember that this is 36 degrees. Okay, then how do we get the angle that is supposed to be here? This is 36. This is, remember that these two triangles are congruent. So it simply means that this side is also equal to, the whole of this is 36, 36, right? Which is 72. So this side should be 72 as well. All right. And this is 90 as well, because the two are congruent. Now, if we consider triangle ABT, we need to get this angle here. Okay, so for triangle ABT, let's draw that out. Permit me to use a freehand sketch. Now this is A, this is B, and this is T. Okay, all right, now this is 72 degrees, this is 36 now, right? Because remember, this is half of this, so that is 36. So this is what is very easy to get. The sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So this place now, angle T plus 72 plus 36 should give us 180, right? Now we have T plus 108 is equal to 180. So it means that T is equal to, if we transfer this, 180 minus 108, so T is equal to 72 degrees as well. So this place is 72 degrees. Now remember that AB is what? AB is x plus x, which will give us 2x. So this place is 2x. Okay. All right. Now, if you look at this triangle, you can see that the base angles are equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. So it means that this side and this side should be equal as well. So this is 2x as well. All right. We are done with this. Let's take this remaining part of this triangle. Okay. So if we take it, let's draw it out. Let's draw it. So I'm going to use freehand sketch as well. Sorry about that. Now, AC, you can see that AC is 2 and this place is 18 plus 18, which is 36. TC is unknown, right? So this is A, T, C, and AC is 2 and this is 36 degrees. All right. Now this place, which is 80, we already have it here as 2x. So this is 2x. And this angle here, angle A here, is also 36, right? So we have 36 here. Okay, now if you look at these two triangles as well, you will notice that the base angles are equal. So it means that this side and this side should be equal. So it means that this side is also 2x. All right, now perfect. If we should go back to this particular triangle now, you notice that this place is 72, right? This place is 72 as well. So it means that these two sides are equal because this is isosceles. So it simply means that angle line BC is also equal to 2. Now I'm going to draw this triangle out. So let's draw everything out. Before that, if this is the first time you are seeing us, click the subscription button and turn on your notification bell. Please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. So let us draw this triangle out completely. So I'm going to draw it out, removing everything removable so that we have a clean angle. Now we have angle ABC. Okay, so this is 72 degrees. This place is 18 plus 18, which is 36. This place is 72 as well. Now from here to here, that is AB is 2x. You can see that from here. So we have 2x here. Now here to here is 2. Now BC, we also got BC to be 2. Okay, BC is 2 as well. So from here to here is 2. All right. Now remember that we now have this particular triangle, this one. So let's draw it here. We are going to see something. But before that, if BC is 2, excuse me, if BC is 2, okay, which is what we have here. Let's use this. If BC is 2 and TC, we got TC to be 2x, okay? Let me show you where we got that. So that means that BT is equal to what? 2x, 2 minus 2x. So we have 2 minus 2x. So it means that in this triangle now, BT is 2 minus 2x. All right. Now, let us draw this here. I'm going to reproduce that because these two triangles are similar and that is what will give us what we want. So, this is triangle ABT. So from here, you can see that our AT is 2x, our AB is 2x, and this is 2 minus 2x, okay? So we have 2x, 2 minus 2x. All right. Now, the angles involved, we have 36, 72, and 72. So we have 36, 72, and 72. Now, if you look at these two triangles are similar, right? Same angles, 72, 72, 36. All right, same sides, 2x, 2x, 2 minus 2x, and this is 2, 2, and 2x. All right. So this implies, remember that the Corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. The corresponding sides, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So if we decide to take 2x divided by 2 from the first triangle, so if we have 2x divided by 2, it should be equal to, now this line 2x, which is line AB, is on 72 angle, so it should be corresponding to 2 minus 2x of this particular triangle. So we have 2 minus 2x over, so the 2 of this is to 72 and 36 angle, right? The sides of 72 and 36, which is same thing as side of 72 and 36 here, which is 2x, okay? So over 2x. Now let's cross multiply. We have 2 times 2 minus 2x is equal to 2x multiplied by 2x. So we have 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2x is 4x is equal to 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Let's divide both sides by 4. So if we do that, we have 1 minus x is equal to x squared. Let's transfer this to this side and this to the other side as well. If we do that, we have x squared plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let us solve this using the quadratic equation formula that states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. So x is equal to, b is the coefficient of x, which is 1. So we have minus 1 plus or minus b, which is minus 1 squared, minus 4 multiplied by, a is coefficient of x squared, which is 1, and c is a constant, which is minus 1. Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So we have x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4, everything divided by 2. So our x is minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So x has two values, which is minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, and x is also equal to minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. But the truth remains that x cannot be negative, right? Because we are talking of length. So it means that this is the value of x. And if you this is like the inverse of our golden ratio, right? Now, if you if you solve this, you're going to get 0.62, which is exactly what we got using our sign, using our trigonometry. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.